Thank you so much. Welcome to the African Joe. Today, I just wanted to remember Lemekani Nathan Nyarenda, all the way from Zambia, a 23-year-old who died in Ukraine fighting for Russia.
My name is Lemekani or Nathan, whichever one you can pronounce the best, and you can pronounce. Just try to pronounce it the way I'm pronouncing it. If you can't, just go with it.
So the story of Lemekani really is so painful. Looking at the fact that he was a really bright kid, man. So what basically happened was that this Zambian student was being sponsored by the Zambian government to learn what do you call it? It's a really some physics stuff. He was going to be learning nuclear physics and whatnot in Moscow, you know. So apparently he was charged with some unknown crime, and he was meant to spend 9 years and some months in a Russian prison. So basically the Russian contractor army said he took a deal to go and fight for his freedom. So here is what's difficult about this whole thing. Like you see in the whole African, I know people who are coming from Botswana as well, who are staying, who are studying outside. Like those type of people, they are like really very intelligent people. You don't just get sponsorship from the government for somebody who might or might not pass, you know what I mean? So like this death is actually so painful, and it feels like his family and the country and the region and the continent has been robbed for somebody who was going to do really good in our society back home in Africa. And to have his life just kind of taken while he was so young, it's really sad, you know. So, and to know that his family might not even get the closure and the real honest truth of what really happened, because for now we're just going off of what we are told by the people who recruited him, or who gave him a plea deal or a deal to fight the Russian war in Ukraine. So now when you are African and you are watching this war from a distance, and you're thinking, it does not affect me, I'm far away, it doesn't necessarily have an impact on me. Just think of kids like Nathan, who had a really bright future, not just for them but for the country, for the family. Imagine all that dreams and hopes just taken away from us just like that. And what I want to urge all the Africans, all the African audience in this channel, is that we must start feeling the pain or putting ourselves into other people's shoes. Then we will be able to understand. People will be able to understand the pain that goes through this. So I just wanted to say to Lemekani, and may his soul rest in peace. May his family and the country of Zambia be comforted, and hopefully someday we will get the closure and the truth of what really happened. So thank you so much for watching this video. It's a very heavy topic, very topic that you should like discuss with a bucket of salt, really. To think of somebody 23 years old, super intelligent kid, man. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. I'll see you guys on the other side.
Can or Nathan, whichever one you can pronounce the best and you can pronounce. Just try to pronounce it the way I'm pronouncing it. If you can't, just go with Nathan.